So hey guys, welcome back in our new video, and today I'm going to crazy with all these 5 cars, and I'm waiting for long of these 5 cars by the Majorette, the iconic Porsche edition by the Majorette, which is very demanding. And fortunately I found this set in nearby store at the MRP of 1600. So let's get started the review of all these 5 cars. Do subscribe, like, and comment. Hope you can get better quality video because I switched the camera so you get better view of the cars. So let's get side and started the review of the all 5 cars. First car is the Porsche 911 RS 2.7 in the black color with the livery of cream, orange and red. At the side you can see the windshield, the mirror, the wheels which is perfectly suit on the car like classy and vintage. We can take the front look, the indicators detail, the tail lamp, plastic insert headlamps, the Porsche logo, the Porsche logo, the orange interior which look classy and cool, means it's something unique and different by the Majorette. We can take the backside look, the Porsche Carrera RS, and on the top 2.7 which look crazy in the small car. So many detail. Now we can get the suspension in the cars of Majorette. It's very cool feature. The plastic base, but it's okay, and the plastic wheels. We get something unique and something different feature by the Majorette is openable part option. So in the car, the hood was openable. We all know the Porsche engine are back side of the car, so you can see the engine of the car. Amazing details, means look crazy, means if we can take photo of that side you get the crazy and amazing look. So let's go with the next car and next casting. So so next we have Porsche 935 with the number 41 in the white. It's look crazy. We get the metal spoiler in the back of the car, the openable part option which is hood of the car, and in this car we get the front engine car, the silver or the gray interior in the car Porsche, the plastic base, plastic wheels, but wheels are really crazy, the plastic insert headlamps, and this is something crazy and something cool which everyone's like if I can open the part so you can get the better look. It's not too much details, but at the price range which we get all this, it's crazy, and this is okay and very good. So now I can, yes, hope you get the better quality video. Now what's your opinion of this car? Tell me in the comments. Let's move to the iconic Porsche 917 with the race winner car and the Porsche history creator car, which is Porsche 917 KH. We get the amazing car with same aerodynamics. You get the amazing headlamps detail, means the crazy. You get details in inside the tail lamps, the viper detail, the look, the color, very pretty color with the 17 number Porsche. You get the wheels is okayish, but yes, and on the back we get the headlamps, tail lamps, sorry, and yes, shell livery, and the openable part option is that the Openable engine means you get the full engine view of the car. It's not too much detail, not so crazy, but for the Porsche lover, this car is going to be crazy and amazing. As I said about me, I'm the lover of Porsche car. So this set is for the best set. You can get 20 cars set by Majorates, but yes, this is also the amazing set. Now next, going to the two cars which is new, means if we said this sorry, yeah, this and this, these are the vintage types of castings, not in the recent years. So now next, going to the Porsche Carrera 911S. Yo, you get the amazing classy car with the great details. You can see the Porsche logo, the headlamps on the back. It's crazy, guys. Means you can see the Porsche 911 Carrera, the back, like really Porsche doing something crazy in the back. You can see the active suspension, which is nice in this car. We can get the openable hood option, openable front, but the storage of the car in the front of the car, means engine are in the back of the car, so you get the storage. Now you can get the amazing interior detail in the car. You can see the steering and something which not too crazy, but it's crazy. You know what I say? If you know, you know. Yeah. Now going to the last and next car, Porsche 911 GT3 Cup. Yo, with the number 2. And this casting is going to be crazy, and everyone can like this castings, like every Porsche fan like this casting. Only one disadvantage in this casting is not disadvantage, but Majorette can do better in this side. So let's get started the review of this car. So you can see the headlamps which looking great, crazy, the orange livery on the car which is crazy and good, the Porsche logo. The openable part option is the doors of the car. Wait, I open. Now you can see the tire which returns Majorette. The back of the car is so nice and well detailed by the Majorette. The disadvantage which I said about this is the plastic spoiler. Why Majorette? Why plastic spoiler? If this is for metal, its look and is going to be next level. In the back, you can see plastic base, plastic wheels. Yeah, we all know 5 cars review. So yes, and now open the part like the doors. It's something tight, but yes. Now see, look. Now in the inside, you can see now this side. You can see the iconic steering of the Porsche, same as the replica. Yes, something issue on the openable part, means you can see the gaps between the doors, like now this side. The car will not look really crazy like if you see this car. So it's looked so nice and well detailed. But yes, now overall look of all 5 cars. And please subscribe if you are watching this video from here. So please subscribe and comment down best car which you can like on these 5 cars, so I can open all the parts of the cars which would be openable. Oh, yeah. So yes, you can see this all 5 cars which is going to be crazy and nice. So if you are watching this video from here, so I am so grateful of you, because I know no one can see my videos full. Yeah, why I don't know. And sorry for the delays in the videos because of the quality issue and my mobile phone issues. I can't make two more videos, but yes, you can see now. So yes, for which car you like most in the 5 cars, comment down. And in the next, which you need review. Subscribe for more amazing content. Thank you.